when you pull one side, it actually makes everything else go completely out of sync. I am very confused. Yes, ma'am. Because we did not realize that we had to actually buy stakes with these grids, we went back on the website, realized that you need stakes, and so we've been cutting stakes. Actually, Mom has been cutting down.
Yes, Mom.
How many of these have you cut? We have buckets of these. Okay, so our first Geo Ground Grid is now in. We're very happy with it. How long did that take us, Mom? Like 20 minutes? Not even? The dump truck is here. Lydia, stay here, baby. We gotta figure out how to get this dump truck into the driveway to dump off our gravel.
It's so big. It's so giant and rock pile.
Yeah.
The dump truck is back.
Yeah, we're gonna have him come back for more. It rained again yesterday afternoon and then all night, so our ground grid is actually filled with water right now, but it kind of gives you an idea of how the ground grid works. Instead of water, we're gonna have gravel in these pockets. We ordered another load of crush and run to come. The ground is starting to dry quite nicely, actually. Mom, you wanna watch? Hold on, let me help. There we go. We might have to widen that door. What did you guys think? Was that cool?
Yes.
Now you've got way more dirt to potentially play with.
Here, Mommy.
Yeah? Oh, thank you. Mom and I are learning once again that we are an amazing team. The kids are driving us crazy. We keep having to stop to make sure that they are behaving and that they are in line. It's tough when you're trying to do work, but you're also the people responsible for the kids. It's a little bit tricky to line up these grids. When you pull one part, all of the other pockets move and they don't line up quite as symmetrically as you would hope. It's way easier to do this project if you're working with another person because you kind of need two people to be pulling the grid from opposite sides at the same time to get the tension right. I haven't ever seen another person do this, so I'm going to assume we're doing it right. Each of these pockets will fit approximately a 6.5 to size 7 foot, maybe size 8. There is no way that Aaron would be able to stand in these pockets to put the spikes in. Mom has so much more energy than me. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I just want this to be over. Oh. We're on our, which number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our 5th grid.
Are you gonna?
I'm so tired. Oh my god.
Okay. I'm about to turn 2nd grade. Oh my goodness. I just became, yeah, 8.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, so there's one pocket full. That was just so simple. I mean, what are there, like a million? Part of the issue we've had with having heavy machinery come to do this is that if we don't have some kind of barrier against the driveway, a heavy machine can crack the cement here. I'm trying to put down some of this crush and run so that when the Bobcat comes, it can roll easily without cracking the driveway that's already here.
Pretty much what it would have done anyway, but you know, trying to be extra helpful.
Okay, okay, buddy.
This is it right here. This is the last time we're gonna get a chance to see these things.
Aaron wants to use one more grid. I don't think it's necessary. It's a lot of work putting that stuff down, and the bus is not going to be sitting on this part of the ground.
That's true, but
we don't need it to be super, super strong. Just strong enough to get us into the grid. The Bobcat's here! Oh my God. Wow, look at that. This is going really fast. Officially going to try and move our bus into our new driveway space. This wheel is spinning. It's just spinning. You guys almost ready?
Yeah.
Oh, the bus is going to be moving into the new driveway.
Come on, man, let's go.
Oh my gosh. Good job, baby. Good job, baby cakes.
Thanks.
Excellent work moving the bus to its new home. And we did it. The ground grid is laid. It's been filled. We have the bus on top of our new driveway, and we're ready now to start working on clearing out this land and turning it into our carport and workspace for our bus conversion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found the information to be helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up. You can subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for notifications, and you'll be alerted the next time we have a video ready. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
You.